New Zealand.
Mount Taranaki.
Mount Taranaki.
At Fitzroy Golf Club.
Welcome everybody to the 2023 New Zealand Speedgolf Open. And who better to start the New Zealand Speedgolf Open with than the current world champion, Reid.
Kicking us off for round one.
Good luck, Jamie.
At the 9th New Zealand Speedgolf Open.
3, 2, 1.
Jamie got his first win in 2018, and this weekend he is looking for his 5th title. Tees off in a light to heavy drizzle. Give a huge thanks to Simon Moore on his scooter for capturing as much footage as we could with my GoPro strapped to his chest until the scooter runs out of battery. He hit his approach right on the green for a nice look at birdie to start the round. And I believe he's putting with his 52, 56. 2-putt, tap in for par. So down the fairways, and for most of the course, he's running sub 6-minute mile pace.
18 kilometers an hour. Nah.
You're not, you're just
Nah.
just out here for the
I do play speed golf, but I play old guy speed golf, 5 holes. Well, this,
me too.
you too? Well, this is a bit bad. Oh.
Took an unfortunate bogey there with the 3rd hole. One of the most picturesque holes on the course. Got the bridge out there, the ocean, new Plymouth Golf Course on the other side of the bridge. What a beautiful view. Jamie's deck driver just clipped the leaves, so he's a little bit shorter than he would like to be. So he's got to just punch a driver.
I do a similar thing. I play a few holes and that's about it. I think with speed golf it would be quite good if the game was if they changed it to a 9-hole format, because I think it would be more inclusive.
It works for me. 18's a bit much for me. 18's a little bit much for me.
Running 18's a long way, isn't it?
Just missed another short putt. That's 2 bogeys. Hole number 4. We tee off halfway up the ridge. It's a drivable guy. I was right on the fringe myself. What a chip. Such soft hands. Let's say it like that. Such soft hands. With your heart rate up like that. That's amazing. Just burns another edge. On to hole 5. I think one of the hardest holes on the course. Trees and out of bounds encroach from the left. 2 or 3 big trees also on the left obstruct your view of the green. And it's uphill. So it makes for a long second shot to an elevated green.
I think golf is it's a lot more than just playing 18 holes with 4 people and taking 5 hours.
Yeah, I mean, I play most Saturdays. I do enjoy it.
Yeah.
I love going in there. I love going out, playing half a dozen
Yeah.
holes right I jog it to it.
Yeah.
Keep it low and left of the tree, up to this elevated green, and he throws a dart. Unfortunate not to convert, but another nice easy tap and par. We missed the tee shot on hole 6 as Simon's trying to get to the backside of this little bitty green. It's only playing about 125, 130. 7 or 8 huge paces all the way across. This thing is a postage stamp. Standard par and move on. Hole 7.
I tell you what, it's actually, I've got 2 scooters. I brought this one. I'm glad I did, because the other one would not keep up.
His drive got hung up on the left side up on the hill. Ball considerably below his feet. Trying to take a mishap. and turn it into a birdie tab. It's just an amazing shot.
Hey!
Hole 8 back to the clubhouse. Bit of a weird swing, but it still came back right into the center of the fairway. And Jamie sticks another approach shot. Boom! Back-to-back birdies.
Nice one, Jamie.
Let's go. Hole 9, little par 3, chip shot. And a rare miss with the irons. Hold it just a little bit left. And you can see how much it's rained in the last day here. Puddle on the green. We barely got this round in.
Yep. Well done.
10th tee, blind shot up over the ridge. Jamie almost put it over on the 6th green, a little par 3. To be fair, it's not far off the fairway. Nice little pitch up there to another fairly small green. And the putt just misses on the high side. Another solid par. On to hole 11. Another spectacular view back to the ocean. And the scooter's starting to struggle. Jamie hits another green. And again, just misses the putt, but a tap-in par. On to hole 12, par 3, slightly back uphill. Jamie ends up long left. But with a nice chip, nails another par.
I think the very wet conditions doesn't really like it. Yeah. That's all right.
As Simon pushes the scooter back to the clubhouse, we get one last look at hole 15, the par 3 off the ridge. I'm up on the tee box.
Well done. He can do that going flat out. I can't even do that taking my time.
It's unbelievable, but true. Friggin' long, and our prevailing wind of the west is blowing that way. So,
He's 2 over, isn't he?
we were just discussing on the 8th. I thought he hit 4, but someone said he had a birdie, and I think.
Is the 8th the one up to the clubhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, he birdied it.
Yeah, so that actually long putt went in, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it rested against the flag.
That's what I didn't see that.
Yeah.
So that means he was all square after 9. And he bogeyed the 13th. Oh, Johnny B. Okay, so that's a 3. Yeah. Yeah, so he was all square. He's 1 over. 1 over. Yep.
1 over.
Yep, 1 over. So doing all right.
Doing all right.
Yeah.
He finishes the round just shy of 32 minutes and at 2 over 70 for a speed golf score of 101.59 and a 6-stroke lead going into round 2. What a stellar performance, sir. Showing exactly why he's ranked number 1 in the world.
Good job, Jamie.
Love to see you. Hear the Speed Golf chants and the words of Nick Evans. Speed Golf, baby!
Let's go. Huge thank you to Fitzroy Golf Club, to New Zealand Golf, and Phil Aiken for hosting and coordinating this year's tournament. Speed Golf New Zealand, baby.